Hello, Black Rifle here. Rick in South Carolina. I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. It's been a while since my last build. Right now I'm working on a 24-inch 223 build. I'm waiting for the barrel to come back from being cryo treated. Anyway, the 6.5, I sold it. It just wasn't grouping the way I wanted it to group. So I'm going to order another one and build another 6.5. Wasn't keeping a dime size group at 100 yards. It'd get warm and it'd throw one off. It was keeping a quarter size group, but it wasn't keeping them dime size. So after it got warm, it'd throw one. So I decided I'd sell it, and that's that. Well, I have had a Springfield Armory XDS in 45 caliber for about a year now, and I'd like to talk about that. This is it. XDS. This is the 7-round magazine, and this is the 5-round magazine for it. As you can see, this is 5 rounds. Nice compact little 45 ACP pistol. 6 shots with the small magazine, the 5-round magazine. 6 with 1 in the chamber. I know all you bullshitters out there are gonna, armchair warriors, are gonna criticize it for not having enough firepower. If I wanted firepower, I'd have a belt-fed weapon. Anyway, this is for self-defense. Again, this is not a target pistol. It's not a custom pistol. It's a self-defense pistol. The FBI statistics say that the average gunfight lasts less than 3 seconds, and 2.2 shots are fired. We'll round that off to 3 shots, and the average distance is between 0 feet and 21 feet. So you don't need much. So it's just for self-defense. Puts a big hole in the target. These are 230 grain Hydra shocks. You know, I wouldn't want to take one in the chest, would you? So it's just a nice little pistol for carry. I carry it all the time. I hadn't had to shoot anybody with it yet or use it in self-defense, but it's good to know I got it. Nice little pistol for the money. You can't beat it. Springfield Arms XDS. I recommend one. We'll be back after the first of the year with the new build, 24-inch cryo-treated barrel. From Anderson Arms. I ordered the barrel, and I'm putting together a 24-inch 223 sniper rifle built from scratch. So we're gonna use a Palmetto State Armory lower and a Anderson upper, Anderson parts for the upper. Anyway, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you after the first of the year. This is Black Rifle in South Carolina. Have a great day and a Merry Christmas, and wishing you all a Happy New Year. If you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. Bye-bye.